Hey guys, it's Big C. It's Sunday, the 9th, December 9th. I don't know if you can see that up there. Right there it is. But we're doing the breaks that ended Friday night. We're going to do the Bowman draft picks and prospects. Here's the sign-up sheet. We'll go through this real quick. Bowman draft picks, box break, and then 12-7. I think two teams did not sell. The Indians and the Phillies were the only ones that didn't sell.
First time over 50 points for this Giants organization since their championship season 1986.
There's the Phillies. And the last row here. Alright, so there you go. We'll get on with this. I believe the next baseball product we have coming out is Bowman Sterling. And I know there's some that were last year were here doing it when I did baseball, and there's some new people here. But how I do those is on the Sterling is I'll just do mini boxes. So each box will have basically 6 breaks out of the boxes. A lot of people liked them. They were nice to do them for 99 cents. Start each one out, but we have. And what I'll do on the first video is I'll open the box. I'll shuffle all the boxes out of the Bowman Sterling, and we'll just number them 1 through 6. And those 6 will be on 6 consecutive nights. So a lot of people like that. Devin Mesoraco, Quentin Berry, Jared Parker Chrome, Jesse Winker, the Reds Bowman Chrome. So a lot of people like those, like that. So I will be doing that. I believe that comes out on the 19th. Is the next new baseball.
Can the test drive you over now? Back to the dealership.
It's practically yours.
Just base.
Volkswagen signed the driver's back. It's never been easier to get
Got a blue something of Kyle Zimmer for the Royals, numbered out of 500, and that goes to T4172AS. Will Rosario, Taylor Hawkins, and base. Marcus Stroman for the Blue Jays, refractor. Autograph not numbered, but that will go to the Blue Jays. That's Yankees fan ball 20.
fresh breadsticks and cinnamon sticks for just $10. Or go for the epic big dinner box loaded with 2 pizzas, breadsticks, and meatballs, pasta, stuffed pizza, rollers, or wings for $19.99. Order the big dinner box online and score a free 2-liter Pepsi. Really?
Sean Ends, Mike Zuno, refractor, and base.
We're reinventing the perfect gift with the all-new Kindle Fire HD. With an HD screen, HD camera, and dual speaker Dolby sound.
One of these cards, I'm not sure what those are.
TV shows, songs, apps,
Jorge Fernandez.
Happy holidays.
Eric Wood base.
The all-new Kindle Fire HD.
Jesus Montero for the Mariners out of 500. The Mariners are Soldier Medic. Rick Barr and base. Justin Black refractor for the Braves. And base. Got a blue. Lucas Sims for the Braves out of 250, and that would be scored 2007. And base. Brian Dozier, Adrian Arian, Crown, base. Got a Scott Oberg, number out of 250 for the Rockies. Yankee fan gets that one. One of these goofy cards. And base. One of the top draft picks, Dylan Cousins, Austin Dean, Chrome, and base. Matt Adams, Eric Stamets, Drew Smiley, and base. Matt Smorrell, Blue Jays refractor, base. There. Base. Looking for some color. Haven't got much yet. Just base. Jonas Cepetis, rookie. Steve Shills, Chrome refractor. Joe Kelly, Alexander Murray, Chrome, base. Looks like we've got a gold. Jonathan Murphy for the Twins, numbered out of 5 of 50. So we'll go to the Twins, and that is T4172AS. I think that's back-to-back gold boxes. Steve Bean. I don't know what they call those, ice or something. I'm not sure what they call that. Base. Stephen Pryor, every which way. Base. All right, 3 more packs. Spencer Edwards, Rays, refractor, and base. Hunter Bailey, Martin Perez, Crown, and base. And the last pack. Julio Felix, refractor, Eric Gonzalez, Chrome, and base. So there you have it. Again, guys, the next baseball product will be the Bowman Sterling, and I'll be listing them as mini boxes at 99 cents. So keep checking out the auctions. Big C 2020-14. Thanks, man.